Here's how to uninstall apps on your iPhone. Now, if you accidentally installed an app or you just don't want it anymore, there are two ways to be able to delete it. One is in the home screen here, or a better option is to tap on the Settings app of your iPhone, and then just tap on Search at the bottom, and we're going to search for Storage, and then tap on iPhone Storage. The nice thing is it shows you all of the apps, including the ones that take up the most space. So if you're looking to just free up some space, all you need to do is find that app, let's say Snapchat in this case, and I can uninstall it by tapping Delete App and then Delete App. And it will delete out all the documents and data and everything. However, if you just wanted to do it on the home screen, just press and hold on an app, tap on Remove App, and then just tap on Delete App and hit Delete. It will delete all the documents and data, and you'll need to re-log in if you install the app again. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that too. And thanks for watching.